Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 403rd episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some maple brown sugar cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple, and easy to make. And we're going to top it with a maple syrup glaze on. It's sure to make your mouth water. And these cookies have maple syrup in every bite. You'll be in heaven once you taste these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, sweet potato cake roll. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your brown sugar, and your maple syrup sugar, because we're about to bake some maple brown sugar cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl and my sifter, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're going to sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have a half a cup each, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter and margarine that let come to room temperature. And into our butter and margarine, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these ingredients together until it's fluffy on medium speed. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 jumbo egg at room temperature. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright, now it's time to add in the extracts. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 1 teaspoon of pure maple, and 1/3 of a cup of pure maple syrup. Mix those ingredients together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Alright, last of the flour. Continue mixing until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the cookie dough. Smells amazing. You can smell the maple syrup and the maple extract. I love the smell of maple. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to cover the dough with some plastic wrap, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 hour. Alright, my friends, the cookie dough is nice and chill and firm. Now we're ready to form it into cookies. So we're going to use my cookie scoop. And then we're going to put it on my 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil or grease it with baking spray. I'm just going to put it onto the pan. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through with the rest of my cookies, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I've got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 375-degree oven. And we're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my maple brown sugar cookies out of the oven. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Look how nice and golden brown they are. I just love the smell of freshly baked cookies. Alright, so now I'm going to let the cookies cool for a few minutes. And then once they're cool, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, the cookies is nice and cool. Now we're ready to drizzle the glaze. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 6 tablespoons of maple syrup. And I stir all them together until it's well combined. Nice and thick. Alright, perfect. Time to give our cookies some sugar. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Like so. Alright, as soon as I get through drizzling the cookies, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through drizzling the glaze on top of the cookies. Now I'm about to put them on my platter. Alright my friends, there you have it. Maple brown sugar cookies. Doesn't look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I'm gonna grab this one in the middle. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Look at that. Soft and chewy. Can taste the maple syrup. I'm in maple heaven. These maple brown sugar cookies are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maple brown sugar cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.